All right, welcome back to the training, and we're going to start right where we left off. Now, up here you have the gamified training and learn to build your app business from scratch in a new and fun way. Okay, and went over that already. You kind of get to the little picture graphs of the levels. Okay, and at those levels, I already stressed that once you get up your apps, you should start to see that income that level stresses. Okay, which is another thing I like about that. I'm like, they're absolutely right, because I experienced. And believe me, I've been in this game a long time. Let's move on. Unlimited push notifications. What push notifications are, in case you don't know, is you can actually send a message to your users' apps, and it's going to appear at the top of their screen. It's going to say a message about or a message from whatever your app is. Okay, Atlanta Falcons keyboard app. Okay, it'll be at the top there, and that is that the users are going to click that. They're going to say, "Where's this message from?" They're going to scroll down and click it, and then that's going to get them to your app. Okay, so push notifications is a must-have. You must have that. Now, you don't want to spam anybody, like sending 5 notifications in a day. No. Send out one every other day. Okay. App plugins. Okay. Give your app some superpowers with the app plugins. I'm going to go over the app plugins with you. Okay. And so on. Now, let's go to the leaderboard. Compete with other users in the leaderboard and get rewarded for your progress. Okay. That's like a friendly competition type thing. Okay. You know how you're doing with other people that are making apps too. Okay. So, 20 plus native templates. Access all existing and upcoming app and game templates. Now, here I showed you a few of them. Okay. That's just a few of them. With this plan, you're going to get access to all of them. Live wallpaper apps, keyboard apps, wallpaper apps, video wallpaper apps, quiz games, and so on, a whole slew of them. I'm going to show you all of these, okay? In my app building career, I built over 500 apps, really, okay? So, take my experience and take my successes and my failures, and you're going to learn from those, okay? That's why I feel so important, that you watch this orientation, okay? AppyGEN Academy. Learn everything about the app business and our Plus Academy lessons. This is real informative stuff right here, because they tell you they don't just leave you out there. They tell you exactly how to make a particular app. All the steps involved and everything. And they give you the tools involved. Okay? Which is what I'm going to do, also. I'm going to let you know all my secrets. Okay? The niche research tool, where you can find you a niche and discover untapped niches. Okay? I'm going to show you, how to do app SEO or app SO. Okay? And basically to rank your apps high in the app stores, okay? One-on-one support, this is crucial, okay? They'll usually get back to you, like if you have a support question about anything, or if you want to make a suggestion, or whatever it is. Get your own app guru to help you grow your business, okay? That's real. I've never had to use it. Basically, my support questions were, how can I help you all build this app platform? I recently sent them a support ticket, and I said, do you still have the affiliate program? Because I had to ask that, because I just finished some training with Andromo, and it comes to find out they don't have the affiliate program anymore. So I'm like, well, wait a minute. You didn't send me an email saying, you don't have it anymore. I made all these videos, and now you don't have the affiliate program anymore. And I sent them something to the effect, I feel I should get some compensation. They just sent me something back. We're sorry, sorry for the inconvenience. So that's why I sent them a support ticket. And I said, do you still have the program? And they said yes. And in my email I sent them, I said, I'm thinking about making a series of training videos. They said, great. We can feature your training videos on our blog. And now that's an internet marketer. That's thinking like an internet marketer. Because, in that email, I sent them my playlist to my Androma videos. So whoever that support guru was, or app guru, he said, listen, if this guy's going to make some training videos, we're going to feature him on our blog and so forth. Okay? So, now a little bit about AppyGEN. Okay? AppyGEN has been helping people just like you build a passive income from scratch since 2014. Okay? And I wish I would have knew about them back in 2014, but it is what it is. 300 plus apps created by AppyGEN customers. 70 million ads delivered by apps and games built by AppyGEN. 10,000 plus happy customers. That's literally true. Happy customers. I can't say anything bad about this platform. Okay? And like I said, this training, I think you're going to get massive value out of it. I know you will. Now, I like this page. Did you know you can you can make a ton of money from your own mobile apps and games? Now you know. That's a good question. Somehow they know exactly what to put. That's the internet marketing. Okay? Now you know. I made 16,000. Show that video real quick. But yeah, this is the video, and I'm going to put the video in the description. Oh, okay, but anyway, let's move back up to that something. Alrighty, Appreneurs, Christopher Wilson here. Let's see. Alrighty, Appreneurs, Christopher Wilson here. Well, I'll get back to that. Okay. Build your app empire from scratch. You can create your own version of the most popular apps and games on the Play Store, be it a live wallpaper app, 2D platformer game, or even your own 3D talking time clone without writing a single line of code. And that goes with this right here. I want you all to get this in your mind that you are an app developer. Don't let anybody tell you anything different. Okay? Just because you don't know how to code, you can make apps. You use the copy and paste method. This is what we use. If you can copy and paste, you can make apps. Simple as that. Okay? So you are an app developer. I want you to call yourself an app developer. People ask you what you do. I'm an app developer. I develop apps for mobile phones, and I develop apps for tablets and so on. I develop apps. That's what I do. Okay? Now, here as we go down, app builders. So much confusion and so many overpriced tools, and that is the real deal. Now, back when I first started making apps, I was using a platform called RealSky Builder. Real quick. Okay, here we are, RealSky Builder. And this is back in like 2013. And I actually paid $1,500 for this platform. Now, let me tell you why. You can make iOS, Android, Windows Phone, at the time Android, Amazon, and so on. You can make apps for all these platforms, which is good. Okay, and actually, I tell you my $16,000 a month, I didn't include my Apple apps. Because the same apps that you make on Android, you can make for the App Store. Okay? That month, I think I made about $600 from the App Store. The Windows Store, I think I made about another $250. I didn't have too many apps on the Windows Phone, when they had the Windows Phone at the time. But, yeah, I paid $1,500 for it. Okay? And, you get a ton of features. Mainly, just the features what you can submit to the Apple App Store and the Windows Store. But other than that, it's really the same as it. Matter of fact, they have templates and everything. But I think I sent a support ticket charting my progress. I said, I'm making an average of $11,000 a month with your platform. He responded back, great. Can we put you on our website? And I said, sure. Can you write a testimonial for us? Sure. So that's me right there. And Sky Builder is the best platform ever. What other platform lets you submit apps to all major app stores, Amazon, Android, iTunes, Windows 8, and so on? And I said it's well worth the investment. Christopher Wilson, Mobile App Mogul. Now, with that being said, okay, I told him, that, I'm making lots of money with your apps, with your platform, and I made a few training videos. This guy, after I paid that year the $1,500, you would think, now being an internet marketer mind, okay, you would think that give me access to it, keep making those videos and testimonial, but he wants to charge me another $1,500. I said, are you serious? So anyway, I stopped using it and I went to other platforms. Okay, but this will show you how much it is. This platform, okay, at the time, it was that's what I paid, $1,197. Okay, $100 a month. That's ridiculous. $47 a month for one app. Okay, so I said I don't have to pay that much money. Okay. Now let's look at AppyGEN. Now here's AppyGEN. Okay, monthly $19 a month. Okay, for the year $159. You get all access to everything that Sky Builder had. Okay, everything. $19 a month. Now you can make that just from probably an hour. If your apps do good, you can make $20 in 1 hour. Okay, so that's the price. Now another thing about the app builders, I've seen a whole lot of platforms, and all these platforms I found, they always want to make you build a business app for somebody. Learn how to make a restaurant app, or learn to make apps for local businesses. I didn't want that. At the time, I didn't want that. I want to make some apps that I can put on the Google Play Store. Now there's a market for that, don't get me wrong, but that wasn't for me at the time. So with AppyGEN, this was perfect for me again. I want to make game apps. I want to make guide apps. I want to make wallpaper apps. I want to make music apps and so on. Okay, so now you said for something designed for you. Wow, talking to me. Software that allows you to create beautiful apps and entertainment apps that smartphone users actually want to install and use. See, I can't make a business app for a restaurant. No. I want to make apps that people can use. Like I said, this is the internet marketer right here. Maybe you've tried one of the big popular app players and you're exhausted with their HTML5 templates, their website from 1995. Or maybe not even aware that most app builders allow you to make apps. Instead, you make a mobile site packaged into an app. Seen that? You can see all apps on the Play Store with millions of downloads, and you can do better with the right tools and guidance. From simple apps and games like puzzles, kids games, and video apps, to more advanced stuff like live wallpapers and 2D and 3D games. But the available solutions only allow you to make their plain static apps. Okay? Only good for restaurants. Oh, I just said that. And small businesses looking more online presence. And I hated that. I'm not going to name the app platform, but yeah. So, to make real money with your own apps and games, you're going to love AppyGEN. And there's one testimonial. And I'm going to see if they will allow me to put my testimonial up there as well. Okay? All the training and to succeed in your journey. Now, they're a team. That's a team. Okay? Making profitable apps is more than just building apps. We also provide you with an interactive training specifically designed to assist you in building a recurring monthly income from your own apps and games. Okay? Now, with that being said, we're going to go on to the next part of the training.